Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito po si Benji Chidoro at welcome po sa Thursday edition ng The Stock Market Today. 109 days na lang Pasko na. At ang ating news muli ay mula sa Metro Pacific at GSIS. Pero tignan po muna natin ang ating mga headlines. Ito po ay galing po ng Video Securities Daily Digest. Wilcon expects higher sales starting September. GSIS plans to keep MPIC stake after delisting. Ito po ang ating main news. So basahin ko po ang summary. The State Pension Fund GSIS said Wednesday it plans to remain a shareholder of Metro Pacific even as the latter plans to delist from the local bourse. GSIS on Tuesday revealed that it purchased additional common shares in MPI, resulting in aggregate holdings of 3.43 billion common shares, equivalent to 11.98% stake in Metro Pacific. The GSIS understands that based on the PSA rule on minimum public ownership, any shareholder with a holding of 10% or greater of total issued outstanding shares shall be considered non-public. Pursuant to this rule, GSIS understands that its shares in MPIC are now considered non-public shares, GSIS said. Based on this assumption, this will increase MPI's chance of proceeding with the planned delisting to comply with the requirement for the delisting, which is to acquire 95% of the company's outstanding shares. So, yun pala ang rule na yun, Ang pagkakaintindi ko kasi yesterday was that if you own more than 10%, then you are considered public, Hindi pala ganon. So, if you own more than 10%, you are considered non-public kasi when you are a holder of shares of Metro Pacific, considered public ka unless you own 10% or more. Ganun pala yun. Okay, so tingnan po natin ang nangyari sa ating stock market. Pero let's take a look at the other headlines. Ito, economist hike inflation forecast. Tapos dito naman sa corporate news dito, alam niyo po yung subway ng Makati, magkakaroon po siya ng problema doon. Ito, ruling on Makati Taguig case hits Philippine Infradev subway project. Kasi yung dadaanan ng subway ay tatamaan ng contested area na inaward sa Taguig. So mababago ngayon ang design dahil hindi na po pupunta sa area yun dahil Taguig na po siya. Pero kung sa akin lang po, dapat po kausapin nila ang Taguig na dadaan pa rin yung subway doon. Dahil mode of transportation yun Yung mga Taguig na pupunta ng Makati o Makati na pupunta ng Taguig, ganon. Kahit na hindi na po Makati yan. Okay, so tingnan po natin ang ating index at ang ating index ay bumaba sa 6183.07 down 58.62 points. And it's just hovering within this area, Lagay po natin ang Fibonacci retracement. Ito po siya. Nasa 2,500 hovering within that area. Ito po, Nasa 62.48 or 62.50. Yan po yung support level niya. And the next lower support is nasa 6,000 na po. Ganun po. So, yung most active stock naman is BDO and JFC. Pero, tignan po natin ang inyong mga comments. Meron po ako nakitang dalawa dito. Ito po ay galing kay Uncle C. Good evening po, sir. Pa-review po ng DMC. Magbibigay kaya ng dividend ito sa fourth quarter? Sige po, tignan po natin yan mamaya. Sir, pa-review ng SEC. Thank you, always watching and listening to your PSE recap. God bless po. Galing po kay Mike Miguel. Suki po yan, si Mike Miguel. Thank you po, Mike. At thank you po, Uncle Okay, ang titingnan po natin ngayon ay inyong request, SCC, DMC, JFC, at BDO. JFC and BDO are the most active stocks today. So, umpisa na po natin kay SCC. Si SCC ay, umakyat po si SCC ha. Lagyan natin ng, yan, bullish po si SCC. In fact, it has reached overbought levels. Ito po siya. Dito, at saka twice po dito, no? Yan. So, kahapon po, or the other day, or 3 days ago, noong August 30, ay nag-overbought. Overbought rather, hindi po oversold. Sorry po. Pero paakyat po si SCC. And right now, I would say na na-cover na po yung gap up dito. Yan, I think it covered the gap up here. Yan. Got the gap down and the gap up here with the candlesticks over here, no? Yan po. Yan po nag-cover dito sa gaps dito. At right now, nasa tingnan natin, nasa resistance level na po siya. Nasa 32.78 po ang resistance. Almost 33 ang resistance po niya. And the support nandito po sa 30 pesos. Yan po ang basically technicals ni SCC, no? Pero bullish na po siya dahil nag-overbought na po yung RSI natin. Plus, nasa ilalim po yung mga moving averages po natin, yung tatlo. Nag-crossover na po siya. So, lined up nearest the candlestick is the short term followed by the long or the medium and the long term. Yan po. And then, let's take a look at DMC. Si DMC ay turning bullish na rin po, although hindi po overbought. Ang tanong po ni Uncle C ay magbibigay ba ito ng dividendo sa fourth quarter? Actually, kumikita naman po si SCC, no? For 12.66 billion ang kanyang net income no second quarter, although mas mababa yan ng about 8% from the previous year. Tapos dito naman ng 21st quarter, it's down 35%, and here 88.86% noong 2022. Palagay ko po magbibigay. Historically naman po, nagbibigay po yan ng dividendo, no? Pero, check lang natin ang SCC projected dividends. Tignan natin to. DMC. Tignan po natin si DMC conglomerate. Okay, ang projected dividend yield niya is 14.2%. Yun po ang projected dividend rate. Although, mas mababa po yung kanyang earnings, ha? Pero yun po yung nakikita ni BDO SEC na magbibigay po siya ng 14.2% dividend yield for 2023. Yan po yung forecast. Samantalang, ang EPS growth ay negative dahil mas maliit po yung income niya this year. But there is still an upside of 11.3%. Yun po ang aking sagot sa inyong tanong. Most probably po magbibigay po yan ng dividend kasi last year nagbigay po siya. Payment date is November 16, 2022. And the other year din, nagbigay din siya noong 2021 November also. It gave 48 centavos noong 2021 at noong 2022 nagbigay po siya ng 72. And then this year ay most likely po magbibigay. Yun po. And then si JFC naman. Si JFC ay turning bearish si JFC. And earnings-wise though, maganda, no? Nagdidip po siya. Second quarter, yung kanyang net income ay mas mababa kesa doon sa compared to the second quarter last year, 8.19% lower with a net income of 2.5 billion. But technically, pababa po si JFC, no? And nai-hit po siya nitong inflation. Inflation po kasi is one of the factors that affect the stock market. And high interest rates is another, no? But right now, tingnan natin kung magagawa natin ng Fibonacci retracement. Short term lang siguro. Tingnan natin to. Okay. So, ang pinaka next support level ay nasa 200. Malapit na pala. Approaching support level of 230. 234 siya. Kasi yung kalahati niya is 236 at nag-cross na po siya dito. So the next level is 223 rather. 223 yung next support level niya ni Jollibee Foods. Next, we have BDO. Alam po niyo, napakamura po ni BDO. So 134 and right now ay bumaba na po siya from kasi yung black line, yung ating moving average na yan, access the support pero na-breach na po yung support na yan. At right now, the next support level will be here. 127. Pero maganda pong mag-accumulate ng BDO dahil temporary dip lang po ito Temporary dip lang po yan. Napakaganda po ng earnings niya 18 billion or almost 19 billion in second quarter, up 52.57%. Nung first quarter, siya ay up din 40.44% to 16 billion. Tapos dito naman 18. So 16 to 18 billion a quarter siya. So napakaganda pong bumili ng BDO. So right now, nagdidip po siya and yung RSI po ay mababa, nasa 35.94 although hindi pa po oversold. Okay, ang ending quote po natin ay galing po kay Warren Buffett. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. At yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-7 ng Setyembre. Ito po si Benji Chidoro. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, at bye for now.